got a series of files including S01 from a split RAR archive? This is the second part of a multi-volume archive that needs all parts to extract properly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to combine and extract these split archive files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade S01 file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. An S01 file is the second part of a multi-volume compressed archive created by WinRAR. Users encounter this file when a large archive is split into smaller, more manageable segments for easier transfer or storage. To extract the contents, all parts of the archive, e.g. RAR, R00, R01, S01, must be present in the same directory. This file is a binary data container representing a contiguous block of the original compressed data stream. The split file format was designed to overcome file size limitations on older storage media like floppy disks or FAT32 systems. The naming convention, R00, R01, or S0.1, S02, provides a clear sequence for reassembly. The proprietary opener for the S01 file structure is typically WinRAR by win.rr GmbH. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows offers only partial archive support, so you'll need proper extraction tools for full access. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the S01 file and hit Open with. Test WinRAR first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If you still can't open the S01 file, it's okay. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, gathering all archive parts. Collect all parts of the split archive in a single folder. The complete set typically includes the main RAR file along with R00, R01, R02, or similar sequential files. Verify all parts are present by checking the file naming pattern and confirming consecutive numbering without gaps in the sequence. Next, extracting with WinRAR. Open WinRAR and navigate to the folder containing all archive parts. Select the first volume, usually the file ending in part1.rr, or simply the .rr file, and click Extract. WinRAR automatically processes all volumes including S01 to reconstruct the complete original files in the destination folder. Finally, using 7-zip as alternative. If WinRAR is unavailable, install 7-zip, which also handles split RAR archives. Right-click the first volume, select 7-zip, then extract here. 7-zip joins all parts including S01 and extracts the contents. Both tools handle split archives equivalently for standard RAR multi-volume sets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.